So do you also want to automatically send form responses to a CRM? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So in this video, I'll show you how I send all my Jot form registration form responses to Zoho Begin. So to do this, I have used Pabbly Connect and I've opened the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of form responses for free into your CRM, and yes, this is true. Once if you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're in the workflow builder and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action, and this trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Jot form right over here and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new response and click on this connect. We're going to receive this web URL, so just copy this web URL and open your Jot form. So I want to connect this form, so I'm just going to go to the settings of this form. From the left hand of the side, I'm just going to go to this integrations. Now you have to search for webhooks. Alright, so let's search for webhooks right over here and select it. Now for this add webhook, just delete whatever is written and paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and click on this complete integration. Once you click on this complete integration, it is saying integration ready. You have successfully created your integration, so go on this publish. Now we have created the connection between Jot form and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So what we're just going to do is we're just going to open this form and we're just going to fill in this form once. So I'm just going to fill in this form as new user. As you can see, I'm just going to select all my details right over here, and then I'm just going to select the gender. I'm just going to enter the address. I'm just going to enter the student email, then the mobile number, then the work phone number, and then the normal phone number. Now I'm just going to enter the company name. So let's say I'm just going to keep the company name as testing. For the course, I'm just going to select the course and click on this submit. Now you can see that we have successfully submitted this form. So now let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. So this was just a test form submission which I made right now, but like this you can collect the details of your own leads. So I use this form to collect the course registration for my own edutech company. So as you can see, we have received the details right over here. Now let's add these in this CRM. So for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Zoho Begin and select it right over here. For the event, you have to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Zoho Begin and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho Begin. For the domain, you just have to open your Zoho Begin account and copy this domain right from here and paste it. And after this, you just have to click on this save. Your domain can be anything from below. Once you click on this save, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now we have created the connection between Zoho Begin and Pabbly Connect, and one by one we have to enter the details right over here. So first of all, select the owner and enter the details, but you don't have to enter the details manually, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So I'm just going to map these details, and in order to map the detail, put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map. And as you can see, I've successfully mapped these details. It is asking me for many other details, but we are only going to map the details which are required or the details which we have of a lead, and then click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that we have successfully created a new contact in Zoho Begin. So let's open our Zoho Begin and we're going to refresh this contact list. Once we're going to refresh this contact list, you're going to see yes, a new contact is added using the same details. Also, I'm just going to show you the company name will be added right over here too. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new form response, automatically the form responses will be sent towards my CRM. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL is also attached there. You can can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.